In this video, I'm going to talk about the product rule. The product rule is just basically the way you obtain the derivative of a multiplication of two different functions. So our sample function is this one. So y is the whole function in which we have two different functions multiplicating. So we have our first function here, u, and our second function we're going to name it v. And the formula to obtain the derivative of a product is this one. So dy dx, that's our derivative, is going to be equal to du over dx times v plus dv over dx times u. So I coded it with different colors so you can see it's a mix between the two different functions. It doesn't matter the order in which you do it, as long as you have a part of u and a part of v as the same expression. I don't recall if I explained what the dy over dx means. Dy over dx means the derivative of y, so our function right here, with respect to x. So because x is our variable. And the same applies for du dx, that is the derivative of this function with respect to x. There's not much to talk about this, so I'll just solve a few problems. So the first thing you want to do is just name each of your variables. I'm going to name this one u, and this one, not the variables, the different expressions we have, v. And let's separate it into different parts. So our du dx is going to be equal to 1 because it's just the derivative of x plus 5, and our dv dx is going to be 2x. So all you do is plug in the values you have into the equation. So du over dx times v plus dv over dx times u. So our du over dx is 1. It's going to be 1 times our v. So that's x squared plus 8 plus 2x times x plus 5. And that's what you get. You can simplify this further, but that's the derivative you obtain. And this is just a method to make it simpler to solve something like this, because you could just multiply this with this and this, and just keep simplifying it, keep multiplying it, and then just obtain the derivative normally. But this method can make it a little simpler. So let's solve a second problem. Again, you want to name it u v or du dx is going to be equal to, actually I'll write u because in this case you do have to solve it a little bit. So instead it's x plus 3 squared, that means it's x squared plus 6x plus 9, and then the derivative of that is going to be equal to 2x plus 6. And our v is a little simpler, we can just leave it like that, and dv dx is 2. So our dy dx is going to be equal to 2x plus 6 times v, so 2x plus 11, that's what, 2 times x plus 3 squared. That's the result. And I'll be solving more problems as I keep explaining the rules, so the quotient rule, and then just combine them together. I'll probably make a video with just practice problems on the product rule and the quotient rule. So if you found the video helpful, like it and share it with your friends.